Welcome back to the Moon with AI. Today we're diving into an amazing tool for AI enthusiasts and developers, the GenAI Agents repository on GitHub. This is your one-stop resource for building your very own AI agents, from simple conversational bots to advanced multi-agent systems. Whether you're a beginner or an AI pro, this repository has something for everyone. So, what exactly is the GenAI Agents repository? Well, it's one of the most extensive and dynamic collections of AI agent tutorials and implementations available today. Created by Near Diamond, this resource guides you step by step through building intelligent, interactive AI systems. Whether you're creating a simple chatbot, an AI for customer support, or a complex multi-agent system for data analysis, the GenAI Agents repository has it all. So why should you use this repository? Here are a few reasons. Beginner-friendly. Even if you're new to AI, the tutorials make it easy to follow along and build your own agents. Advanced capabilities. For experienced developers, there are guides for building sophisticated AI systems, like memory-enhanced conversational bots and multi-agent collaboration systems. Task-specific agents. You can create agents for specific tasks like essay grading, travel planning, or customer support. Perfect for automating repetitive tasks or solving complex problems. All right, let's talk about how this code actually works. When you dive into the repository, you'll see several examples and templates ready for use. The repository leverages Python and frameworks like LangChain and LangGraph to simplify complex AI workflows. It's modular, so you can plug and play components to suit your needs. Here's a quick breakdown of what happens under the hood. Language models. The agents use models like GPT-4 for generating responses, task-oriented workflows. LangGraph helps create multi-step workflows, allowing the agent to handle more complex processes. Memory management. Some agents even incorporate short-term and long-term memory for more personalized and dynamic responses. So what are the key features that make this repository so valuable? Let's break it down. Wide range of agents, from basic conversational AI to advanced task-specific agents like essay graders and travel planners. Step-by-step tutorials. Every guide is broken down into digestible steps, making it easy for even beginners to follow along. Open source and customizable. Everything in the repository is open source, meaning you can modify the code, add your own features, or even build entirely new agents. Getting started with the GenAI Agents repository is simple. Here's how you can begin. Step 1. Head over to the GitHub page. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Clone the repository or download the specific tutorial that interests you. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the README file to set up the environment and start running the examples. Many tutorials even come with ready-to-use code that you can deploy immediately in applications like Google Colab. For those of you with a bit more experience, the repository offers some really exciting possibilities. You can create multi-agent systems, collaborate multiple agents to tackle complex projects, such as historical research or data analysis, memory-enhanced agents. Build agents that remember previous interactions for more dynamic, personalized conversations. Creative agents. Want to create GIFs, generate music, or compose poetry? This repository can help you integrate creative workflows into your AI projects. One of the coolest things about the GenAI Agents repository is that it's community-driven. You're not just learning, you can contribute, share your own creations, or get feedback from others in the AI community. Plus, the repository is regularly updated with new tutorials and advancements in AI technology. This makes it an evolving resource where you can constantly learn and improve. So, there you have it. If you've ever wanted to build your own AI agents, the GenAI Agents repository is the perfect place to start. Whether you're automating tasks, solving problems, or just experimenting with AI, this resource will help you get there faster and smarter. Be sure to check out the link in the description to explore the GenAI Agents repository on GitHub. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.